Hey guys, welcome once again to my YouTube channel. Today's video I'm going to show you how you can make money online by doing simple tasks just as watching videos online. Okay, so this video is going to show you how you can make some cool dollars. If you look at my screen right now, you'll get to see that I've made $22.3 right here on this particular platform. So if you watch to the end, I'm going to show you how to get started on this platform, and also I'm also going to give you a referral link that will give you $5 at a stretch. Okay, if you sign up with my link, you're going to get $5. Okay, so guys, this video is going to show you how you can make money online by doing simple tasks just as watching videos on YouTube. Do you know that watching video on YouTube can actually make you some money? Okay, so if you're looking at to getting another stream of income online, you don't want to waste your data, or you want to make sure that your data is bringing money for you, then this video is for you because it's going to show you how you can make money online. So guys, if you're new on this channel, this is me, your favorite girl, okay, Multifole NS, your tech savvy. So this video is going to show you how you can make money online. So guys, if you know you're new on this channel and you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and also turn on notification bell so you'll be at alert whenever I drop a video on this channel. So guys, let's get started. So this particular platforms makes you to watch some videos on YouTube which are actually on the platform, and then they pay you for doing that. Okay, and the least amount you can make here is $0.61, okay, or 61 cents, whatever way you want to call it, but it pays you that amount for each videos you watch. And guess what, if you have the time, you get to watch 5 videos every single day, and after each 24 hours more videos will keep loading to you, and you keep watching and watching. And trust me guys, you can actually withdraw your money through PayPal, through WebPay, through Western Union, and also through Payoneer. So in case you're wondering how are you going to work if you're in Nigeria or any country that does not support PayPal and the rest of them, guess what, you can do this using your Payoneer account. So the minimum withdrawal is $80. So if you have up to $80 in your account, you can actually withdraw your money. So right now I have up to $22, and the sweet part of it is that you can have multiple accounts. Okay, you can have multiple accounts that you use on this platform. So right here I also have another platform, I have another account where I also make money from on this same channel. So you can create multiple accounts if you want to. So remember at the beginning of the video I told you that you can get $5 at a stretch, which is your bonus if you sign up using my referral link. So please make sure you click the link in the description of this video or the comment section of this video where you get the referral link and you get your $5 if you sign up using my link. So how do you get started on this platform? What you need to do is go to click on the referral link I sent to you, and when you do that, you're going to come here. Let's say for example I want to log out and I want to create a new account. So if you want to create your account, all you need to do your email, your date of birth, and you are good to go, and a strong password. Okay, so let's say I want to get started. I just click here, or you click on the referral link I sent to you, and you get to this particular place where I am now. So right here, let's say I want to use a name that is not available here. Let's say, so right here you're going to put in your birthday. My birthday is October 9. Okay, so I'm going to put in I'm a female, put my email. I'm going to put in I'm going to make sure this particular recaptcha is showing I am not a robot. So when I've done that, I just click on create account. So guys, can you see I have a whopping $5 in my account? So that's why I said you should please make sure you sign up using my referral link. Okay, if you use my referral link, trust me, you're going to get $5 at a stretch. So when you get to this particular stage, you get to watch this particular video, and then they give you $0.61 that you earn ASAP after watching this video. So this is how it works. When you come here, you just click on the video you want to watch, just click on it, and after 34 seconds you can get your money back. Okay, once the video has gotten to 34 seconds, you get your money back. So right here you can see the video is playing, and once it is 34 seconds, they get to pay me my money. That is how the platform works. Okay, so let's just wait until it gets to 34 seconds. Okay guys, so can you see now it's already 34 seconds. So right here you just click on complete, and you see the platform is going to refresh, and you will get your balance. Okay, so you see you just received $0.61. So what you do is click on the next video that you need to watch, and you see the balance is already showing here. You already have $5.61. Okay, so right here, one of the challenges I had when I was signing up on this account was that some of the videos were not showing. Okay, so that's not a problem. What you need to do is to just head over to the next video that's showing, and you are good to go. So another thing is that you make money by referring people to this particular platform. So if a person signs up using your referral link, you get $1 for that sign up. Okay, so one way you can make money apart from watching video on this platform is by referring people to this platform to watch videos and then get paid. So don't forget to use my referral link if you want to get your $5. And also, like I told you before, you can have multiple accounts. Okay, and also you can make withdrawal using Payoneer, using PayPal, using Western Union, and also using WebPay, whichever of the method is available on your country of residence. Okay, so guys, this platform is the best and the current one in vogue. So if you want to make money in dollars by just doing simple tasks, then make sure you share this video to people who are ready to make money, who are also looking for other ways to make money online. Okay, thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, leave a comment in the comment section. If there is any way you're stuck, please leave a comment and I will reply to you as soon as possible. So see you guys in my next video where I'll show you other means to make money online. Bye.